Don't know, about 60 quid.
So, HD as well.
Don't know.
There's HD on front.
Must be there. Here he is, try walk the dog. Terence.
Absolutely.
Come on,
useless.
son.
Dude,
Come on, son.
now. You'll have to give me a bit further out.
Watch that rod doesn't snap.
Oh, what a cast! Look at that baby.
Let's see if the movement's right.
It's that shit rod you've got.
Look a bit there, look.
He walked a bit. Good lad, Tez.
You'd never tie the fucking thing down, would it?
Just at North Pole and it's bloody summer's day.
It's red hot, isn't it? Boiling. It's only me fishing, right?
That's what you can call it.
The duck over
Aye, the duck.
there. He on? He on?
I'm down to bottom. I'm changing lure. It's not like that. I fucking just bought one over.
What's that? Oh, that's your super snot. What is it? A frosty. Look at that thumb.
Ooh, nasty.
Oh, look at that thumb.
Oh.
I can see it's throbbing for me.
Did you go to hospital last night?
No. My good lady did it.
Try to get the red rod in. Beautiful, look at that.
You got me blue bit there.
Oh, bit of tape, look, stop it coming off.
Turn it off, you wank.
Tackle tart extraordinaire. So let's go round him. Look at that, the parlour bag. Red rod. Shimano, what is it? Technium? What is it?
Stradic.
Stradic. That's broken.
Again? Well, no, not again.
Broken.
Just me real one to throw it out now.
Can't walk the dog.
Can't want it down.
Oh, fuck's really, isn't it?
Don't give up on that.